Hello dear friends, I hope all you are fine. Friends, are you want to earn money from trading? Then this video is going to be amazing for you because in this video I am introducing a unique trading platform which gives you maximum profit. Also company has own trusted portfolio. So let's introduce. The name of our business plan is Your FX Trade. Visit the official website www.yourfxtrade.com and collect all information. YTD globally most innovative investment platform for cryptocurrencies, arbitrage, forex, CFD, commodities, index funds and provides long-term return, multiple bonus options and hassle-free payment. It will be founded in 2020 with its own office in Dubai. Your FX Trade is fully certified, secure, profitable and the best plan for every user, where AI trade daily on your index fund to generate maximum profit and equally distributed with all users. Also check our mission vision. In our features, Your FX Trade is 100% trusted platform, provides 100% transparency, stable income and gives guaranteed profit. How to start trading with us? First, registered account at www.yourfxtrade.com, then choose a suitable package to start earning. You find a total of 5 types of index package. In starter pack you need to invest between $50 to $200 where you earn monthly 5% to 7% index profit received on daily basis till up to 200% and network income 300%. Next, in advanced index you need to invest between $201 to $500 where you earn monthly 7% to 8% index profit. Next, in premium index you need to invest between $501 to $2,000 where you earn monthly 8% to 10% index profit. Next, in super index you need to invest between $2,001 to $5,000. Monthly earn 10% to 11% index profit. Next, on ultimate index you need to invest between $5,001 to above, earn monthly profit 10% to 12%. Any index fund purchased by you earn total up to 200% and network income also 300%. Let's talk about our affiliate scope where you find total 5 types of affiliate bonus: direct bonus, index level bonus, spot level bonus, reward bonus and royalty. Now we talk about a direct bonus. After your joining you can sponsor unlimited members where you earn 5% sponsor income. Next, in the spot level bonus you earn a 0.5% level bonus from your 10 level team. Now you can see index level bonus where you get daily income from your 20 level team's index profit, 10% from level 1, 7% from level 2, 5% from level 3, 3% from level 4, 2% from level 5 to 10, 1% from level 11 to 15, 0.50% from level 16 to 21%, total 44.5% distribution on 20 level and your every 1 direct will be 3 level open, total 7 direct need to open all 20 level. Let's talk about a reward bonus where your business counts 60% on one leg and 40% from other legs. When you complete $5,000 business you achieve star rank and earn $250 as reward bonus. Next, when you complete $10,000 business you achieve ultimate rank and earn $500 as reward. When you complete $20,000 business you achieve legend rank and earn $1,000 as reward. You can see on screen table chart where you earn $2,000 from celebrity rank, earn $4,000 from master rank, earn $8,000 on champion rank, earn $16,000 from expert rank, earn $32,000 reward from professional rank. Same way you can earn $64,000 from captain rank. In reward chart your total income $1,27,750. Now we discuss our royalty bonus where you earn royalty income from company turnover. When you achieve master rank on reward chart you get 1% royalty bonus, achieve champion rank and earn 0.50% royalty bonus. When you achieve expert and professional rank get 0.5% royalty income on each. When you achieve captain rank get 1% royalty income. So friends, this is our complete plan details. Now you can see some terms and conditions on screen. Deposit and withdrawal on USDT, BEP20, daily withdrawal, minimum withdrawal is $10, deduction 10% of every withdrawal, 2x capping only for investment, 3x capping for working person, re-top up after 3x or 2x with same package and above. I hope you can understand our business plan. If you want to join and earn maximum then check our description. Another visit our official website. Thanks to all.